Huawei Idea Hub is a video conferencing endpoint tailored to enterprise conference rooms. Huawei's IdeaManager is a unified endpoint management platform that helps you freely manage your Idea Hubs. IdeaManager is a comprehensive management platform that supports centralized endpoint management, remote fault locating and diagnosis, and precise information push.
Do you still think conference endpoints must be configured on-site, in person? What if you have multiple Idea Hubs and need to perform batch configuration and remote upgrades? Or if you want to power off Idea Hubs that are not in use, but you are not sure which conference rooms they are in? Well, don't worry, IdeaManager has your back.
Let's first log into the IdeaManager using the Uniportal account. Then, on the home page of the IdeaManager, you can obtain the enterprise access code, which will be sent to your mobile phone. You can enter the enterprise access code on your Idea Hub to connect the Idea Hubs to the IdeaManager. You can view and configure them on the endpoint management page. From the list on the left, you can create groups for the Idea Hubs to manage them by area, region, or department as you wish. On the right, you can configure the Idea Hubs in batches or one by one. To configure them in batches, you just need to select multiple Idea Hubs and click Deliver Instruction. Immediate Shutdown here to immediately shut down the selected Idea Hubs. Or you can click Configure Endpoint here to batch configure the selected Idea Hubs. You can click here Reset Password to reset passwords of the selected Idea Hubs. To configure a single Idea Hub, you just need to click Deliver Configuration in the Operation column here or corresponding to a single Idea Hub. The available settings include power configuration, such as the sleep time and shutdown time, and projection configuration, whiteboard configuration, and time, email, and other settings such as GUI, server, input-output, and security configuration. On the endpoint management page, you can easily and remotely configure all your Idea Hubs.
Are you tired of determining faults in conference endpoints? On-site troubleshooting can be long and tiresome. But with IdeaManager, you can now enjoy one-click fault diagnosis, helping you demarcate 5 types of problems. Moreover, detailed logs are provided to help quickly identify the root cause. Fault locating will no longer be a challenge thanks to streamlined endpoint management.
On the IdeaManager, you can learn about the status of your Idea Hubs and the alarms generated on the Idea Hubs remotely. For example, on the home page of the IdeaManager, you can have an overview of the enterprise operation report, including the number of online endpoints online duration, apps by usage duration, and app usage duration ratio. From these statistics, you can analyze them and improve the productivity of your enterprise accordingly. On the Endpoint Management Collect Endpoint Inspection Info page, you can collect the inspection report of your Idea Hubs remotely and rectify the faults. And on the Alarm Management page, you can view current and historical alarms generated on your Idea Hubs. The alarm information includes the alarm name, alarm severity, alarm generation time, and SN of the endpoint. You can also obtain the suggestions on how to rectify the fault. All these functions of the IdeaManager can help you better manage your Idea Hubs and improve the endpoint management efficiency in your enterprise.
Do you want to push good news to all endpoints but find it cumbersome to set them one by one? With IdeaManager's bulletin board function, you can now easily push information in just one click. Additionally, you can set up to 50 images to be displayed in rotation and even push startup animations, boosting exposure of corporate culture.
On the Service Management page of the IdeaManager, you can push bulletin board, endpoint apps, and startup animation to your Idea apps. To push a bulletin board, let's first create a publication, and then you can upload local material here that you want to set as the bulletin board, and add endpoint here to which you want to push the bulletin board. You can add a single endpoint or add a group from here. After setting the publication period and publication name, you can click OK to complete the task. You can also click Advanced Publication here and publish arranged programs in various styles and push them to your Idea apps. In addition to the bulletin board, you can also import and push the startup animation to your Idea apps. This function helps you better convey your corporate culture in a unified manner.
IdeaManager is a comprehensive management platform that supports centralized endpoint management, remote fault locating and diagnosis, and precise information push. This helps enterprises enhance endpoint management efficiency and promote digital transformation.